Hello everyone, welcome to Sweden with Tripti. I hope you all are doing fine and I am good too. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to study in Sweden as an international student. I'm going to cover the whole step-by-step easy guide where I'm going to discuss about how you can apply, how can you find universities, what is the exact website where you can apply all those things, and to know about the scholarship and everything. So without any further delay, let's begin today's video. The very first step is research and choose the right program for you. So for that, you need to visit University Admission Sweden. The portal is accessible to everyone all around the world. So no need to worry if you are thinking you're out of Sweden. No need to worry. You can check this portal. Just need to enter the website. I'll mention the website link here so that it would be easy for you to go there. So there you can start your first step where you are supposed to choose the right program and search what sort of programs are there and which is best for you. You'll open the website. You are supposed to create an account so that you will get the access to the website. Super easy. You need to create an account through your password, email ID and everything. It is very easy. Once you will be registered in the website, now it is time to research and find the right program for you. For example, you are interested in master degree or bachelor degree. It totally depends upon what sort of program you are looking for. So most of the programs, or I would say the instruction, would be in Swedish. So make sure you will select the language. If you don't know Swedish language, no worries. Just look for the program which are in English language. You can browse by specific university if you have any preference. So once you got the right program for you, next step is we need to check the requirement, because for so many programs, they have different requirements, different programs, different requirements. For example, for a bachelor degree, of course, they will ask high school diploma or equivalent to this, right? If you are looking for the master degree, you must have a bachelor degree. If you are interested in English programs, they are looking for English proficiency. So they will maybe ask you for IELTS or TOEFLs or other equivalent test, which shows that yes, you are proficient in English. Some programs can require additional documents like SOP, statement of purpose or recommendation letters. So it depends upon different programs. When you are checking all the programs, make sure you will check more details of the program, like for how long, what is the time duration, what are the benefits, what are the scholarships, if there is any scholarship with this program, university website, and there you can check before you applying. It is better to check, do they have any scholarship with the program. And one more tip, if you decided the university and the program, make sure you will check the reviews, you can check ranking. So it is better before you apply, you are supposed to check those things because it matters a lot for your future. I mentioned some top Swedish universities here so that it would be easy for you. You can search for those university and check if it is related to your field or not. These are very, I would say, well reputed. I would highly recommend you to check those universities. I'll mention all of them here. They are quite good universities in Sweden. So step 3 is now apply for the program. So if you have all the documents with you, check the program, you have decided the university, now it's time to apply for those programs. And in the website, you can choose up to 4 programs, but maximum 4 is the limit. So up to 4 programs you can apply at one time. And once you have added all those 4 programs in your cart, next step is you are supposed to upload those documents which I have already mentioned. For example, scripts, diplomas, your passport information, your SOP, if it requires, of course, SOP efficiency test score, so that the university, they will, once they will get your application, they will be able to go through all your profile, what exactly you have done with the application fee. For non-EU EAA people, they have to pay, that means around, I guess, 900 SEK. But if you are living in EU, you are part of EU or EAA, you are not supposed to pay any fee. So that is the benefit of EU or EEA people. But if you are out of EU, EEA, then you have to pay an application fee, that is 900, approx 900 SEK. So here one more interesting question. Most of people get confused. Okay, are they supposed to pay 900 SEK per program? So it's not like that. It's not for per program. It is per application round. Fee structure for non-EU EEA people, from the people who are out of Europe, they are supposed to pay this application fee, not for EU and EEA. So next question is, when are we supposed to apply for those? There are 2 types of application, 2 times it opens for the students so that they can apply for those college and university. The first one is autumn intake. Application period starts around mid October. For example, after 15th of October, you can start to apply for those colleges and universities, and it will be stay till around 15. So dates can be vary, but I would say it starts after October and till I would say mid Jan, it will be there. So you are supposed for those college and university between this period of time, and it is the most common time. So the second type is spring intake, and the application time will open for this is early June, and it will end in August 15th. So the period is between June to August. You can apply for those programs, although they are very limited programs under this period of time. But yes, if you have missed autumn intake, it is better to try in spring intake as well. So once you are done with the application program, next step is to check for the scholarship and funding. If we are talking about the bachelor degree, I would say there are very limited scholarship available there, but of course they are available but very limited. So it is better to check university's website, personal website. So if you have applied for a master program, I would highly recommend you Swedish Institute scholarship. There you can apply for the scholarship. They cover your tuition fee as well as the living expense. So once you have applied for the course, for the program, or I would say degree, and you have applied for the scholarship, next step it comes like you are supposed to apply for the visa. So if you are in EU or EEA, then you don't need to apply for the visa. But of course, you must be registered with Swedish tax agency. But if you are out of EU and EEA, if I talk about India, right? India, or if you are coming from Asian countries, then of course you are supposed to have a student visa. So you need to apply for that. Question is how? So I will mention here the website as well, that is the Swedish Migration Agency website. There you need to go and apply there, and there you need to fill all the information. You need to submit the documents. You need to show the letter of admission and proof of financial means. That is around 10,000 SEK per month. So you are supposed to show that okay, you have that much amount with you, so it would be easy for you to survive here in Sweden. Health insurance if applicable. For example, you need some special treatment or something like that. It depends upon your case. So if required, you need to buy a health insurance, of course. And if you're thinking how much time it's gonna take, it varies, but on average I would say it will take 3 months, between 1 to 3 months, but can't say 100% sure, but yeah, it takes between that time. And the final step is once you land in Sweden, what things you are supposed to have. First of all, of course, you apply for personal number, which is very important. If you want to stay in Sweden, personal number is very important. Once you have personal number, next step is to get a Swedish bank account, which is very important. Next tip is learn basic Swedish so that it would be useful for you. So next stage is once you have started your study, the question is, are you eligible to work? Of course, you are eligible to work, but not full time. But if you are eligible to work part time, it is 20 hours per week. After your graduation, you can apply for 6 months job seeking visa, which is very interesting. This is very good, I would say, for the students who are now looking for the jobs, right, and they want to start their career here only. They can apply for 6 months visa. So these were the steps I guide for you. I hope it will help you, and good luck to everyone. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye.